Do you need to get a document notarized but can't get to a notary office? Here's how you can get it done from anywhere in just minutes. No more rushing to banks or UPS stores during business hours. Get notarized from your home, office, or anywhere with internet. There's a simple upload process. Just visit BlueNotary.us and upload your documents. It's as easy as sending an email attachment. We have secure identity verification. We verify your identity using the same technology as mobile banking. Simply photograph your ID front and back, then complete a quick secondary check. You'll have a live notary session. Connect with a licensed notary on our secure platform. They'll verify you, understand the document that you provided, and witness your signature in real time. You'll get instant results. Receive your fully notarized documents immediately after signing. No waiting, no pickup required. Our network of notaries means you can get documents notarized early morning, late evening, or even on weekends. We're available 24/7. So are you ready to notarize your documents the modern way? Visit BlueNotary.us right now and get started in under 5 minutes. Click the link in the description or use our live chat for any questions. Your time is valuable. Don't spend it driving around town.